In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable spell check in Notion. If you write a lot in Notion, notes, documents, or team wikis, having spell check turned on helps you catch typos as you go and keeps everything looking polished. Start by opening the Notion page where you're typing. Click into any text area so your cursor is active, then right-click inside that text. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Spell Check and select it. Depending on whether you're using Notion in a web browser or the desktop app, the wording and layout may vary slightly, but the option will be there in the right-click menu when you're inside a text field. Next, choose the language you want spell check to use. Pick the language that matches the content you're writing today. If you work across multiple languages, you can come back to this menu anytime to switch. Keeping the language aligned with your current document ensures that the checker looks for the right spelling rules and avoids false flags. In that same spell check menu, you'll also see a choice between Basic and Enhanced. Basic is the simplest option and works locally, using the built-in dictionary available through your system or browser. It's fast and reliable for most everyday writing. Enhanced is a more advanced mode that can improve accuracy and suggestions by leveraging additional language models. Some platforms note that enhanced checking may send text to a service for analysis, so if you're working with sensitive material or you're in a managed environment, review your organization's policy and choose the mode that best suits your needs. Either way, selecting Basic or Enhanced is all you need to do here. And that's it. Once you've picked your language and mode, spell check is active. As you type, misspellings will be underlined, and you'll see suggestions appear right where you work. If you ever want to adjust your settings, just right-click again in the text and return to the spell check menu to make a quick change. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind. The exact spell check options you see can differ slightly between operating systems and browsers, because Notion relies on the capabilities provided by the environment it's running in. The core idea stays the same. Right-click, open spell check, choose your language, and pick Basic or Enhanced. You're all set to write with confidence in Notion. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!